Hello, this is Laptop Media, and today, we will show you how to open the Acer Aspire 5 and what's inside of it. To get inside this device, you need to undo 14 Phillips head screws. Then, pry the bottom panel with a plastic tool, and lift it away from the chassis.
Please remember, it would be of great help to us if you just hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. That would motivate us to make even more and better videos for you.
Here, we find a 50.3 watt-hours battery pack, which lasts for 11 hours and 30 minutes of web browsing, or 7 hours of video playback. Taking it out is pretty easy. Just unplug the connector from the motherboard, and undo the 2 Phillips head screws keeping the battery in place. This laptop features 2 SODIMM slots for DDR4 memory, which can work in dual-channel mode. Storage-wise, there are also 2 slots of M.2 PCIe X4 type. One of them supports Gen 4 SSDs, while the other is limited to Gen 3. There are 2 heat pipes shared between the CPU and the GPU. In addition, you get a large heat sink, 2 fans, and some heat spreaders over the graphics memory. If you'd like to see more disassembly videos of the latest notebooks, we would highly appreciate if you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.